Welcome to the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. My name is Chris Whitehurst. Each episode I explore a term or a concept you may encounter in a real estate transaction and explain those in a way that I hope is easily understood. This is episode 44, the mineral oil and gas disclosure. This is actually part 4 in a 12-part series I'm doing on listing your home for sale. The spring market is right around the corner, and this series is going to give you all the info you need to be ready for the spring market. As a quick review from our last few episodes, a disclosure is a legal document that gives pertinent information to interested parties. This form is filled out by the seller and presented to the buyers. Typically, all residential sales require these disclosures, even the for sale by owners, and it must be filled out by the seller. I, as your agent, can advise and guide, but I cannot answer for you. The mineral oil and gas right basically covers this information. When you own a property, you own it from the core of the earth to the top of the sky and everything in between. This includes any attached improvements, such as a house or barn, and any mineral oil and gas rights that are part of that property. The disclosure asks if you or a previous owner have severed, given away, the rights to those minerals, oils, and gas. Just like the R-Pod from the last episode, there are 3 possible answers: yes, no, and no representation. Go back and look for a more detailed explanation of those in the previous episode. If you like these videos, there's more of them on my website at chriswhitehurst.com, YouTube, and Facebook. If you like what you see, be sure to follow me and subscribe, and please share with your friends. There's more great content coming soon. I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.